my name's Anita. My business is Bronze Hunnyz Tanning. I run a certified organic spray tanning business and also an online store. I've attended loads of training with Jane and also done quite a bit of one-on-one work with her, working on my business. And I continue to be amazed with how much I learn from Jane every time I meet with her. Her knowledge of all things business is absolutely second to none, but she's also a lovely, approachable person and very easy to work with, and never makes me feel silly for asking what could be possibly silly questions. I've learnt so much from Jane. Her way of explaining things and breaking things down in a simple way and into small steps has really helped me to move forward in my business. And she's really helped me to back myself and take some risks in my business, which are paying off. So thank you, Jane.
Hi, my name's Jane Cadwagan, and yes, I'm another Jane, and I run a small business in Sydney called Zing Home Organising. I met Jane Tweedy from FAQ Business Training at an actual in-person networking event. Because of this, I've looked out for all things FAQ Business Training and tune in whenever I can. Obviously, this is a challenge to watch and then implement all of Jane's wisdom and expertise when you run a small business. So thank goodness for her tea time tips. I save them and watch them later, her podcasts, and the regular small business training webinars. Believe me, Jane talks sense with valuable ideas that you can put into practice straight away. Look out for all her new training. It will add value to your business.